Fredboro's with Plumbers leak detection survey for address 5328. And what we're doing here is the customer is replacing a section of the wood floor in their home, and they want to make sure they don't have any leaks at this time, which is smart due to the fact that they have a soft-rolled copper system that is known for leaks. Now we can see the triangle sitting dead still on this water meter with all the water on. You'll notice that as I test it electronically in the home. To make sure we don't have any supply leaks, we're going to test the piping locally at a high amplification with an electronic leak meter. I'm going to show you how that works and how we would hear it if we did have a leak. And I'm going to notate the concerned area in this home. As I walk over here, see this crack. You don't see any water or whatnot, but quite a severe crack through here. They've seen no water at the surface or whatnot, but this is an area of concern. So I've set us up with our electronic meter in here, and what I'm going to do right here is I'm going to show you what it would look like if we had even the tiniest leak. Let's hook this equipment up. Forgive me if you're getting dizzy during this report. Had to make sure we had that hooked up. Right there we see our digital meter reading. Now, you can hear that leak. It leaks because I've got the water running there. Even at a drip, we can pick that up. This is how most slab leaks or below slab leaks sound. Very loud. Now, I'm going to shut this off and you'll notice you'll hear that noise stop. And we've got a 0 reading there. I'm going to move over to the hot side. 0 reading. And I'm going to turn that hot side on a little for you. Just a drip, and you can hear that. Now I'm going to shut that faucet off. And we have nothing. 0 reading. The sensitivity of the electronic equipment shows we have no water supply leaks at this time. Infrared also shows no major temperature differential anywhere in this home. Fredboro Swift Plumbers Plumbing Leak Detection Survey.